Batay mo si Mika.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Mika. More birthdays to come, more blessings to come. And I wish that you will reach every goals and every dreams that you wanted to reach for. Hello. Ingat lagi. I love you.
Hello, happy birthday Mika. I know na masakit ang pinag-agihan these few months na lang. Basta ka mga nakaagi, I just want to say na happy birthday. Dawa alam ko sad ka, pero life goes on daw, sabi nila. Padagos lang kita bi, aram tama na okay na si ate mo duman kasi yung baby niya. Wish ko lang sa imo na sana maging maugma ka sa kaldo ka ng birthday mo. No, alam ko na masakit mag-ugma sa mga panahon na araw kayo na nangyari sa to. Basta sana stay jolly, iraton, magayon, as in maging mapadaba sa pamilya. Ingat pirme be, padangat mi ika. Bye bye, love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Daw si Teya, oh. Si happy birthday na, Teya.
Hi Mix! Happy birthday! So, ngayong birthday mo in September 1, I hope na yung pagpasok ng September sa'yo is puno ng blessings, puno ng healing process, and genuine happiness. And I hope you enjoy your special day. And always remember na nandito lang si JJ to guide and to support you, to give an advice. And sana mas marami pang memories ang magawa natin pagbalik nyo. And eto, nag-video greet ako kasi hindi na naman ako makakapunta. Although, hindi ako makapunta dahil may pasok tomorrow. But I'm always here for you if you need advice, hug, and ngayong kaarawan mo. Siyempre, gusto ko na ma-enjoy yung araw namin. I hope na in a little things, in a little way, is napasaya ka namin. So, yun lang. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. And be strong. Okay? Let's go. Thank you, Meow.